what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this full face makeup look right here. I asked you guys on YouTube if you wanted to see this look and another look, and this look won, and so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm super excited. This look is so fun and colorful. I just was feeling very inspired when I did this look, and you guys said you wanted to see it, so I was so happy because now I could show you guys. And so yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Okay guys, so my eyes are already primed. Now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty palette and taking the yellow as our transition shade, so buffing it into the crease and above it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take the red from the palette on my 217 brush from MAC and pack that into the crease and the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm just going back in with that transition shade, so the yellow, and buffing everything out. And so the red from the Huda Beauty palette was pulling a little pink on my eye, so I went in with this darker red from Natasha Denona, but you could use any red that you have just to deepen everything up. So I'm just placing it in the same areas we did the other red. And then just blending that out once again with that yellow color. Okay, so now it's time to cut the crease, so I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in an angle brush, and I'm just going to cut it about halfway, and then we're just going to blend out the edge of the cut crease, just because I didn't want to bring the whole cut crease throughout the whole eye, if you know what I'm saying. I wanted the outer part to be a little bit blurred, so I'm just taking a clean concealer brush and just blending out the edges on the outer part. And now for the lid shade. So first I'm taking the color Fantasy from Colourpop, and I'm just going to apply this to the inner part of my lid all the way up to the middle part of my lid. And at first I was using a brush, but it actually applied better with my finger. And then for the outer part of the lid, I'm taking a flat brush and that darker blue foiled shade from the Huda Beauty palette and just packing that on the outer corner all the way up to that crease line. I'm taking that flat brush we used to apply the pink color and just kind of marrying the two shades together with whatever's left on the brush. And you don't want to forget this step because you don't want a line in the middle of your eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Stila liquid liner and just go ahead and do a winged liner. Okay, and to go ahead and add some definition, I'm taking the red shade from the Huda Beauty palette and a small brush and just filling in that negative space on the outer part of the lid. And then for the inner part of the lid, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Aqua liner and I'm just going to fill in that negative space with this liner. Okay, moving on to the face, I'm going to prime under my eyes using my Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. Okay, and to prime the rest of my face, I'm taking my Origins Pore Perfecting Primer. To correct the veins under my eyes, I'm going to be using my Bye Bye Under Eye in the shade Medium, and I'm just applying that with my fingers. Okay guys, so I'm using two foundations today. I'm first going to be going in with the Stila foundation stick, and then I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just going to spray that with the Dior Airflash foundation to go ahead and buff everything in. You don't have to do this. This is really extra. To be honest, I'm just trying to use up these foundations. They're getting kind of old, and so I just want to make sure I get my money's worth out of them. To go ahead and highlight and conceal the face, I'm going to be using this Urban Decay All Nighter concealer. I love this. It just makes the face look so good. To go ahead and set my concealer and also bake the face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Now moving back to the eyes, I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my lower lash line. Then taking that pink color on a fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend out that black with this and make it look nice and smoky. And then I'm just going to touch up that black one more time. To make the eyes look bigger, I'm taking this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil on the color Milk, which is just a white. I'm going to put that on my waterline. Jumping back to the face, I'm just buffing away this big with a big fluffy brush. To go ahead and bronze and contour the face, I'm taking this Becca Sunlit bronzer in the color Capri Coast all over, and also to contour my nose as well. For blush today, I'm using this Lancome one in the color Mocha Havanna, and I'm applying that to the tops of my cheeks and also my nose. Oh, you make me wanna talk back For highlight, I'm going in with Ofra's Blissful highlight on the tops of my cheekbones, forehead, just the highest points of my face. And we're going to be extra with the highlight as well, going in with another highlight. This is a Colourpop highlight in the color Flexatarian, and oh my gosh, do you guys see this? It is so blinding. So I'm putting that on top of everything. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and set the face. Then I'm just applying some mascara to the top and lower lashes. To brighten up the inner corners of the eyes, I'm taking MAC Nylon on a small brush. I'm just packing that on the inner corner and also under the brow. For lashes today, I'm going to be using my Ardell Wispy Lashes. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. For lips today, I'm using my Colourpop Ultra Satin Lipstick in the color Echo Park. And that's going to be everything for this makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!